New Holdings is down 38% from its all-time high. Is right now the perfect time to buy? And where could the price be going next? These are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video. And to answer the first question, is right now the perfect time to buy? We're going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around this low, price climbed up to this high before we started seeing this current retracement. So if I draw the Fibonacci tool going from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is usually in the stock market, when prices start retracing, they tend to come down to this dark green area known as the golden zone, find strong support here and bounce back up. We do also see support at the other levels of the Fibonacci, but the other levels don't tend to be as strong as this dark green area, which makes buying within this dark green area ideal, as there is a good chance price will find support and continue up from here. So where should you be looking to enter? The first area worth keeping an eye on is going to be the bottom of the golden zone here. This is $8.72, and the start of the golden zone is $9.97, so around $10. The price is currently below the start of the golden zone, so an entry strategy you might want to consider is getting in around the current price and dollar cost averaging at this level if the price continues retracing down to here. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at the overall market by looking at the chart for the S&P 500. The price has been declining over the past couple of months. It's currently down 19% from its all-time highs, but the decline does seem to be slowing down slightly, so we should be seeing some great buying opportunities in the near future. It's difficult to predict when exactly the market is going to bottom out, but something I've found helpful is taking a look at publicly disclosed information to see whether US politicians are buying or selling. We generally tend to see more buys when the market is close to the bottom. I've got some historic data here. We can see that in 2022, the S&P 500 was down 19%. But if you had traded alongside key US politicians, then you would have been up 77%. And even when the market is doing well, trading alongside the key politicians would have yielded higher returns. If you are curious about how you can do this, I've put together a free video on my website that walks you through how I find the publicly disclosed information and use it to make investing decisions, and I also go through these results in more detail. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from these lows up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, around here, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is, as the price starts climbing up, these are the levels where we tend to see strong resistance. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are these levels? The first level is around here. This is $13.59. The level above this is around here. This is $15. And the third level is around here, which is $16.44. So an exit strategy you might want to consider is taking some profits at these levels as the price climbs up. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, then the link to this free video is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.